So I'm about to show you a quick fix to the Windows 10 and I think Windows as a whole bug, the blue screen of death thing, the IRQL not less or equal bug, which is caused by Mozilla Firefox. So yeah, let's say that you're browsing with Mozilla Firefox and at some point you just, the blue screen appears and it restarts your computer. So how to fix it is quite easy. You go to Firefox, but you have to start it in safe mode, that is. So you have to shift click it. I should double click it and it will ask you start in safe mode. After this, go into the options tab, and after that go right at the bottom to performance and uncheck this use recommended performance settings, and uncheck this use hardware acceleration when available. So this will fix your blue screen. At least it fixed it for me. So in options, in general, performance, that's it for a quick fix. So that was one of the problems I encountered with Windows, and also I'll link in the description why my Windows 10 looks like this. The start menu and alright. Have a nice one.